Amoxicillin oral antibiotic powder pouch packing machinery is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. FBD 300 powder sachet packing machine including functions: main packing machine, powder hopper, film input, touch screen, date printer, bag making device, vertical sealing device, horizontal sealing device, cutting device. Machines are controlled by PLC system. This machine can be installed to code printed for 1 to 3 lines characters such as production date and expiry date according to your requirement. VFFS powder packaging machine are made of SS304 and SS316L. We provide OEM service and overseas service.